What's up everyone guys? The Beerman Fan TV is back for another video and we talk about Junmar Fajardo's humiliation on why he's not yet in Gilas practice. I have a update about Junmar Fajardo and from spin.ph I read it that Coach Todd Baldwin ruled the likely unavailability of Junmar Fajardo for the national pool players of fighting for spots for the squad bound for the upcoming FIBA Asia Championship in China next month. In spite of being humiliation, Fajardo is still on the Gilas lineup for the upcoming Asia Championship in China. Although he has yet to receive an official word for the reigning SMB star, but Baldwin gives advice the development, if not reversed, would be a big blow for the squad. Kung hindi siya makakalaro si Junmar, baka problema na itong Gilas Pilipinas. Kaya kailangan siya sa national pool, pero hindi pa full recovery sa injury foot niya. So, nakakalungkot. Baldwin reiterated that the gentle giant from Cebu would be rare shoe for the final 12-man lineup if the reigning PBA MVP was healthy and would possibly available. So, if Fajardo will be having a quick recovery, this is gonna be a good chance for Gilas Pilipinas to play him in China next month. So, kung akong tatanungin kung kailangan siya, kakailangan ko siya kasi mahirap kung wala siya. Walang big man, nakakahiya. Lalong pahihirapan ng Gilas pag wala si Junmar. Kaya kailangan ng Gilas Pilipinas si Junmar Fajardo. Anyway, salamat sa pagtutok sa The Beerman Fan TV. Please like on us on Facebook and subscribe to YouTube channel. Anyway, salamat sa pagtutok. I'm Andre Alvaro. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Shalom.